Welcome. Travar Hardy, aka Mr. ATL Wholesaler here. Look, just want to shoot a quick video real quick on how to create a campaign inside of FreedomSoft. Alright, this campaign can be used for vacant house leads, pre-foreclosures, um, quick claim deeds, divorcees, whatever type of lead campaign you want to run. This is what this will be for. So the first thing you're going to do, obviously, you're going to come to your leads dashboard. You're going to go to My Campaigns. All right, you want to create a new lead campaign. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as I can. Let's just say vacant lead DeKalb County, for example. Let's just go with that. All right, right here, if you're going to do direct mail pieces for this particular campaign, postcard, letters, etc., you would click there. If you're going to do online automations where you're going to do emails or some type of online formation geared toward this particular lead campaign, you're going to click there. So in this case, for example, we're going to use manual. So what you're going to do is input the data, and then you're going to call and you're going to update manually. So that's why we're going to click that in this example. And these are going to be seller leads, and you're going to click on create lead campaign. All right, right here you see where you can add a new lead, you can import leads, you can associate phone numbers with it. You can do, email campaigns, workflow automations. We have like several different workflow automations that you can use. Autoresponders. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. So in this case, let's just let's just do an example of a new lead. Let's just say, let's just use, alright, and we're just going to do whatever example. We'll just leave it like that for now, just for time's sake. I'm going to click Save Lead. I'm just going to show you how simple it is, really. Now, if you did an address, it'll come up and you can actually see it on the map. In this case, we didn't, for, like I say, time's sake. And as you can see, the lead campaign, different things like that, the offer price, your notes, you can connect it to your contacts, bedroom, bath, all the information of the property. Then you're going to click Save the Lead. So it's just that simple of how to create a campaign inside of FreedomSoft. All right, let's just say 3850. Let's just see here. Let's go back. Hold on, let me get out of here. I went a little too far. Let me back out of here. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can, let's just go back to campaigns. All right, so now as you see the lead that we just created, vacant lead DeKalb County, you have one lead. So you can have thousands, hundreds, 20s, whatever, and you'll see it here. And then what you would do, once you click on it, it'll show the whole graph. And then if you want to just see it singled out, you just click View Leads, and they'll come up like that. All right, and then you'll see your whole list of individual leads. As you can see, let me just show you an example here. All right, View Leads, and as you can see, you can see it, and right there, will be a list of them. You can group them, and you have your phone numbers, all the information. But that's how you create a lead campaign, and that's what you're going to do with the leads that you have, the phone numbers, whatever data, information that you have, you would input it for each individual lead. All right, you would, let me see if I can, let me just see here. Let's just use an example here. I think this is Conley. Alright, let's see, zip code 30288. Alright, and save. Let me see if I can show you an example of what it can do. Then if you click on Street View, you'll see that address. So this is just an example address. This is a vacant lot, actually, that we're selling. And so that's how simple it'll be with your leads as you input different leads into your lead campaign, phone numbers, things like that. And what you'll do each time that you make a phone call, you will come to your communication tab, you would enter that information, everything that you do emails, text messages, fax, everything. Make sure you come here and make a comment of what you do, and it'll be time stamped and all of that. And once you click add, let's just, and as you can see, and it have the timestamp date and everything. So that's what you'll do. You can check comparables, you can add photos, any attachment documents that you get, whether it's a land survey, any type of valuable information you can attach to the lead inside of FreedomSoft. And that's just a better way of keeping track rather than doing, because the way we used to do it, we used to do Excel format through Google Docs and Google Excel, things like that, which is perfectly fine. It works, it's great. But now we're tied pretty good and pretty close with FreedomSoft, and we are doing everything and working all of our leads through FreedomSoft. So we're taking advantage of that, and this is it. So this is what you want to do as you create your campaign for whatever list that you have. You create the campaign and you input those leads. You can import them, or you can input the leads individually. And there you have it. It's just that simple, and that's the way that you would do it. And hopefully this will be a valuable help and tool for you. And I will catch you guys on the next video. If there's any questions, inbox me, text me, email me, what have you. And I will do my best to answer your questions. All right, so this is Trevor Hardy, aka Mr. ATL Wholesaler. Catch you guys in the next video, and be blessed.